Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Mamta. In today's class, we'll be learning about GUI and CLI. So, as a user, to run or operate a program, we have Graphical User Interface and Command Line Interface. In this, we click to open or operate a program or a file, and in CLI, we have commands to operate or run a program. Here commands are nothing but program. So let me use my Firefox in Linux to operate a program to open it. So here my Linux is running. So let me terminate it. Okay. Now you might be thinking, why do we need GUI or CLI when it's very simple to use GUI? The thing is, when you open Firefox or any program with mouse, the program might get hanged. It might not be able to terminate. But whereas in command line interface, we have commands or keys to terminate. Okay. And the key to terminate a program is Ctrl+C to kill or terminate. So let's say the command is by chance Firefox itself. So let me type Firefox. Now the Firefox is running. So let me go back. Now if I use the Ctrl+C, it terminates it. So we don't need to click on the cross button to terminate it. Now to see where the file is located, we have the command called which. This shows the location of the file or where the file is available. So let's use this command. Let's say which Firefox. So now in this path, the file is kept. To open the file, we have gedit and we have to write the path. So let's write gedit and Firefox. So let's write this in our command line, gedit. So this is the file. This is called program file. Okay. So when a developer writes a code and stores it in a file, this is known as program file. As I told earlier, commands are nothing but program. So this is a program file where the development of the Firefox, the codes or commands which are used to make the Firefox is open to all of us, and the code that is written and stored in a program file is open to all of us, is nothing but open source code. So all the sources, everything is written in this program file. And now we have Now let's see how to take the screenshot using the key and using our command line. So we have print screen in our key. If we click, the screen is print, the screenshot is taken. Let's go to our files. Let's go to pictures, and here our screenshot is there. Now, how do we use it in our command? How do we take screenshot in our command line? We have the command called Gnome screenshot. We have the hyphen here. The screenshot is taken. So let's go to our files and in pictures. So here the screenshot is taken. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next class.